Okay, we've got curve crosses the x-axis at the point A. So when it crosses the x-axis, that's this one here, that means the y is 0. So that's y equals 0 for point A. Well, let's just try it. So let's do the first part. Y is 0, 0 equals 1 plus 1 over 2 plus x. Take that over to the other side. So 1 over 2 plus x equals minus 1. Times everything through by the bottom bit here. 1 equals minus 2 plus x. So 1 equals minus 2 minus x. Add x to the side. So I get x equals minus 3. So it crosses the x-axis at minus 3, 0. So that's that bit. And the y-axis at point B, that will be when x equals 0. So when x equals 0, that will give me that y equals 1 plus 1 over 2 plus nothing, so it's a half. So y equals 1.5. And so therefore we got that other point is 0 and 1.5. So those are 2 points. That first one is point A, and that point is B. Find the equation of the line AB. Well, I always like drawing a picture. So minus 3, 0, that's A. At minus 3, 0. B is 0, 1.5. 0, 1.5. That's B. So find the equation. Well, I need to find the gradient of that line. And that goes across by 3 and it goes up by 1.5. So gradient M equals how far up? Changing y, 1.5 over changing x, 3, which equals half. So that gives me y equals half x plus c, and I'll then sub in any point on there. So I'll do 0, 1.5. Well, that obviously means that c does equal 1.5, the y-intercept. So I get y equals half x plus 1.5. Yeah, I could leave it at that, but I'm going to times through it by 2 to get 2y equals x plus 3, and then get everything onto the right hand side, but then right on the left. So x minus 2y plus 3 equals 0. And that's worked out the equation of the line AB. I'll calculate the coordinates of the point of intersection of this line, which I've got here, and the line with 3y equals 4x. Well, what I'm going to do, well, actually, if I times this one by 4 here, then this equation here, then I'll get 4x. So I'm times it by 4. So that one here, times it by 4, it'll give me 4x minus 8y plus 12 equaling 0. And I know what 4x is, because 4x is 3y. So don't write 4x, write down 3y. So 3y minus 8y plus 12 equals 0. That's minus 5y plus 12 equaling 0. So 5y equals 12. So y equals 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. So that's what y equals. Then I have to find out what x is. So I sub into here. So sub into 2y equals x plus 3. So that'll be 4.8 equals x plus 3. So x will equal 1.8. And so my answer, coordinates are 1.8 and y is 2.4. And that is the answer. And that's that question done.